All right, I'm going to show you how to draw a treble staff with a treble clef and some notes. First thing you do is you open a Google Doc. Then you title the Google Doc treble staff. After that, click the Insert tab and choose Drawing and New. Click on the Shapes tab and create an oval. So you have to start with a circle, but make it kind of flat. And then you want to turn that till it's about 345 degrees or approximately there. It doesn't have to be 345.0. It can be, mine was 345.8. And then it says you can fill it in any color you would like. So I'm going to make mine purple. All right. The next one, number 6, says now use the straight line tool and, oops, wrong one, sorry. Use the straight line tool to make a straight line that's going to come down and meet the edge of that note. And that's not very straight, or not perfectly straight, but I can fix it in a second. But first I want to change the weight, and I'm going to put that weight of that line at 4 points. Okay, and then I've got this kind of to the top. Stop doing that. And I want to move that down. Now this is connected together, but if yours doesn't move connected together, then click and drag and cover both things. And this is in number 7. It says click on the drop-down menu in Actions and go to Group. And then Group will make it definitely all move together. Now I'm just going to move that out of the way because I'm going to need it later, but you may run out of room, so we did it this way. I'm at direction number 9. No, sorry, I already did number 9. Direction number 10. Now using the straight line tool, I'm going to draw a line from the left to the right side of the screen and try to make it level. If you don't, you can fix that later. And I'm going to weight this line 8 because I want this line to really stand out. And notice it goes pretty much from one side to the other. I'm also now going to, right click and copy this, or you can do Control C, and then to paste, you can use Control V, and you can paste this line, and you want to make 4 of them. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I pasted 4, and now I'm going to drag these so that they lines up with the first one I made. And there's a little space in between them. And I'm going to move each one up, stacking them on top of each other. And you want to try to make the space as even as you can. And you want to try to make the edges line up as much as you can. And you can change that, adjust that a little bit. All right. So here are your 5 lines. So now we're going to go to the straight line tool, and we're going to draw a line from top to bottom here on the left side to connect these. Now, when I let go, it automatically put my line back at 8 points. If it doesn't make your line 8-point weighted line, I would go back to the weight thing and fix that. But if it does, good. Next, we're going to go to the line drawing tool, but we're going to go all the way to the bottom to the scribble tool. This is probably the trickiest part of the whole thing. The scribble tool, now you're going to use it to draw a treble clef, which might be a little tricky, especially if you haven't drawn one lately. And it automatically makes that an 8-point weighted line too.